God, I didn't hear anyone come in. How are you? No, this isn't my hair. I know what lace. Actually, this is a wig from EULLAIR Hair. Yes. So you would like to know the details? Stay tuned.
I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri.
I wanted to do this video a little different. Don't even be stressing me about how I look. I know I look rough right now, okay? Bald head, scallop wag. Ain't got no hair in the bag. Gelled up, weaved up. Your hair is braided up. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the lace off the wig. And I did not shampoo this hair because I feel like when you shampoo the hair, the texture does change. Ugh. This is why I don't like to talk while I'm styling and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what it looked like with the lace off. It is a little big, so it's big hair friendly. So I'm going to have to hold it down to lay it down. But this is what the lace is looking like. It is really, really light. I am going to spray my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray. I think what I'm going to do is brush your curls out and just add like a little bit of water mist to it or some mousse. I don't know. We just going to go.
I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like to get away. You and me. You like the summertime.
This is the look I was going for. I wanted the big poofy look. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down in front, and then we're gonna move on to the install. Y'all don't pay no mind to my hands. They real ashy. I've been washing wigs all day. Don't come for me.
My body chill. I wanna give all of me to you. Tell me you feel what I'm feeling too. Swear I really don't know what to do, cause I'm going crazy. Boy, like how you made me. Grass is greener on my side. That's my baby, the sunlight. Nobody like you, yeah, I mean that. Give me all the love, yeah, I need
got
that.
the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like to get away. You and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. Got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like to get away. You and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Before I begin today's video, I just want to send a big thank you to EULLAIR Hair for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down in the description box below, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. Okay, so let's go ahead and give y'all the details on this wig that I am wearing. I am wearing the 13x4 lace front deep wave wig. It is 20 inches and 150% in density. Now that we have the deets out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the cons, and I only have two. The first con, y'all probably already know. The lace was really, really, really light for your girl. I had to go in and use my Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray, and I also did add some pressed powder along the hairline Here is where I blended it in really, really well. You can't tell what lace. What? But right here, when you lift the wig up, you can see the cast right there. It is really, really light. I didn't put any pressed powder to blend it in because you're not going to be able to see it because of the bang. All right, so now that y'all got all up in my business, y'all was in my personal space. I mean, dang, did I look good? What? If you said no, why you watching? So that was the first con. The second con I'm going to have to say is the parting space. 13x4 parting space is not something that will make or break the wig, okay? But shout out to them for being true to their parting space, because a lot of companies out here will be like, it's 13x6. And you're like, no, maybe 13x2, but 13x6. You do decide to purchase this wig, just be mindful that you cannot do a deep side part. You can't go Blackstreet style and go deep. Those are the only two cons that I have for this wig. Let's go ahead and jump into the pros, okay? Is y'all ready to rock steady in the pros of this wig? The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the hairline. They did that, you know what I'm saying? Even though the lace, I did have to put some work into the lace to make it match, you cannot say that that hairline does not look natural. It does come pre-plucked and it looks amazing. Another pro to this wig is the hair. I really did like the hair. I did not shampoo and deep condition this hair because I wanted to leave it in its natural curly state. I've never took a deep wave wig and just combed out the curls, and y'all, it was so beautiful. It was so big and I loved it, but it overwhelmed me. I was like, what is going on? I cannot do this. So I did go in with some water and some mousse and some leave-in conditioner, and I did use some anti-frizz serum to tame the hair, and it looks good. Like I said before, I don't really like the wet look. So when it dries a little bit more, it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. I did receive some shedding and I did receive some tangling. The tangling and shedding is expected. It's a long curly unit, but it's not something that's like, oh my God. Overall, this is a really nice wig. It's your typical curly unit. You're gonna get some shedding, you're gonna get some tangling. I'm really loving the density on this wig. I like how full it is, but I did have to tame it. I'm still a beginner when it comes to these wigs, so when I get too much hair, I'm just like, but I think I did good. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. This wig is the bomb. It has me believing that I am kind, that I am smart, and that I'm important, okay? That came from the help. Did I say it right? I don't even know if I said it right. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Crazy, boy, like how you made me. Grass is greener on my side.